Apple cider vinegar for dandruff and itchy scalp. Method 1. Pour half cup of raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar into a container. Almost this quantity is enough for medium length hair. You just do that, partition your hair and use a cotton ball to dab the apple cider vinegar along the lines. Continue, just cover your entire scalp. Wrap your hair in a warm towel and wait 50 to 60 minutes and rinse your hair with warm water. Do not shampoo it. Let your hair air dry and do this 2 times daily for good result. Method 2. Ingredients you need: unfiltered apple cider vinegar, almost 1/3 cup, raw honey 2 tablespoons, and distilled water 4 tablespoons. Funnel 1/3 cup of raw apple cider vinegar into a small spray bottle. Add 2 tablespoons of honey. Add 4 tablespoons of distilled water to dilute the vinegar and spray it on your hair. Do this 1 time in a day for 1 week. I hope you will enjoy the video. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon button for new videos.